First, crack 2 eggs and separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh milk into the egg yolks and whisk well. Then add 3 tablespoons of flour. Whisk until the batter becomes like this. Then whisk the egg whites in low speed for 1 minute. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar from time to time. Slowly increase the beater speed and whisk well. After 5 to 6 minutes, this is what you get. It's so foamy. Then add half of egg yolks batter into the egg whites and mix slowly. Add rest of the batter and mix again. So creamy. Make sure to heat the pan at lowest heat and put the batter. Add 3 water drops into the pan and cover like this. After 1 to 2 minutes, flip it over and cover again for 1 minute. Ready to serve. See, it looks so yummy. So soft. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe